In this section we will look at how to start and stop the MySQL service. First open Windows Task Manager with the shortcut command Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Under Services we can look for MySQL 8 as well as the MySQL router. Right-click on MySQL 8 and click Stop. This will take a second or two to complete. And under Status, this should now be showing as stopped. We can now do the same for the MySQL router. In addition, we can go in and set how the MySQL service starts up when we start our computer. And typically as a developer, we don't want to have MySQL service automatically starting, because it can take up resources in the background. Scroll down to MySQL 8, right-click and view the properties and set to manual. Click Apply and OK. Once we have set the preferences for MySQL 8 and the MySQL router, we can close out of services, and the next time you start up your computer, MySQL 8 and the corresponding router will not be taking up any resources. However, anytime you want to perform some analysis in MySQL, you will need to go back into Task Manager, click on Services, and start MySQL 8 and the MySQL router. That's all for this section on how to set the MySQL services.